Okay, well, I'm looking for something to carry some gear with. Let's look at these Ratcheting Rhino Grips. Engineered to safely and securely transport your gear. Rifles with a scope, rifles without a scope, ARs, bows, shovels, rakes, axe, fishing rod. Alright. I don't know, they look to be fairly well made. They look nice and thick. Let's get them out of the box here. Okay, here's one of the grips installed. Here's the other one. There's a little button on the side here. Push that, opens up. All right. Sweet, let's put something in there. Oh yeah, there you go. Huh. Left and right's pretty good. That's not going anywhere. All right. Not gonna fit. Is that too far away? That actually holds up pretty good. Yeah, put that back in like that, and then on this side, look at that. That actually holds up pretty good. Okay, so now we got a rifle in a bag here. Pinch this closed. That actually seems pretty damn good. Alright, I have to take this for a rip. Okay, let's put an axe in here and go for a rip and see how it holds it. That was pretty good. All right, let's see if this comes and rattles loose. Okay, maiden voyage. See how she goes.